Extreme weather and a rare winter storm that hit Texas and the northern Gulf Coast left New Orleans and Houston frozen on Tuesday. The storm has triggered the first blizzard warnings for some coastal areas near the Texas-Louisiana border. It was reported that the impact of this extreme weather caused the closure of highways, stopping almost all flights, canceling school for millions of students and a number of other activities. Heavy snow, sleet and sleet were expected to fall around the deep south as blasts of Arctic air left much of the Midwest and eastern U.S. frozen. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced extreme weather since last Tuesday.
Downtown Houston, snow apocalypse 2025.
Nearly 2,000 flights to, from or within the U.S. were cancelled on Tuesday, with about 10,000 more flights delayed. In New Orleans, 65-year-old Robert Hammock donned a beanie and took himself and his border collie Tilly for a walk on a cold, snowy morning. Winter storm warnings extended from Texas to North Carolina on Tuesday, with heavy snow, sleet and sleet expected to move eastward through the region through Wednesday.